Hi! Windows XP and Windows 7 Circon, at least as far as Microsoft is concerned. For many users across the globe, however, those platforms still live on. Both businesses and homes still use both desktop operating systems that have seen their end of life.
These platforms are no longer supported by Microsoft, which means they are no longer getting security updates. What does that mean to end users? It means their computers and data are at risk.
That's why in this video, we are going to show and present to you a possible solution. Thanks to Zorin OS. So, this video includes a few introduction, the installation process, and we will going to show you how it looks like around or inside the Zorin OS. So, let's watch the video. Zorin OS is a multifunctional operating system designed specifically for Windows users who want to have easy and smooth access to Linux. It is based on Ubuntu and uses a customized version of GNOME and the Avant window navigator, which they call the Zorin Desktop. Based on their website, Zorin OS is faster, more powerful, virus-free, easier, more secure, more beautiful, more fun, and better. Zorin OS 1.0 was released July 1, 2009 and was based on Ubuntu 9.04. The most recent release, Zorin OS 12, was released on November 2016.
Or anything else, of course, we need to download Zorin OS from their website. So now, let's head to zorinos.com. Download Zorin OS. For this lesson, we are going to use Zorin OS Core. So let's head to that version and hit the download button.
After that, a pop-up window will appear giving us the option to download the 32-bit version or the 64-bit version of the OS. For this lesson, let's use the 64-bit version. And the download will start eventually. So, that's it. Now, let's head to the installation of the Zorin OS. In this lesson, we are going to use a VMware, a virtualization software to let us install Zorin OS in our computer in a portable way, or in other words, in a virtual way. So with VMware, we can have a virtual computer. So let's start. First, since we are using VMware for this lesson, we have to initialize and set this up first before installing our operating system. You can skip this step somehow if you are going to install this using the whole system of your computer. To continue, let's click on create a new virtual machine, then next.
After that, we have to browse and search for Zorin OS that we have downloaded earlier. Click Next. Then we choose Linux as our guest operating system and click Next.
Now, let's give our OS its name. This time, let's name it Zorin OS Core and click Next. In this step, we are going to allot a memory for our virtual computer. In other words, The memory that we're going to set will be the memory size of our virtual hard disk. The recommended size here is 20 gig, but let's give a little bit more this time. And I guess 30 will be fine. Then let's hit on next.
In this step, we'll have the option to customize our virtual computer more. That includes allocating the RAM, graphic card's memory, the number of processors, and others that might help in improving the performance of our virtual computer. For now, let's just finish off the setting up of our virtual computer. And there we have it. Zorin OS to run on a virtual computer with 1 GB RAM, single processor, and a 30 GB hard disk memory. Now, let's power on our computer. Click OK. After that, we'll just wait for the Zorin installation process to boot up.
So now, of course, we'll install Zorin after choosing your preferred language. Just continue. Install now. Then click on continue. Now, click your current location on the map and continue. Choose your desired keyboard layout and continue.
Now, let's fill up this form. You will notice that as we type our name, our computer's name and username is automatically generated. That we can customize this to our desired computer's name or username if wanted to.
Then click on continue.
Now, let's wait for a few minutes as the installation process continues.
A few moments later.
And there we have it. Installation is complete. Now, let's restart our computer and let us see what it looks like inside Zorin OS. need to learn about the Zorin OS. Again, this is Maren Villena.
And Jamaica Arliano.
Thank you for watching!